Hello kids, today I am drawing some sea animals. Let's draw and paint them together. First I am drawing starfish. I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me. This starfish is so cute. Now I am drawing crab. Crabs live in both water and on land. Now I am drawing seahorse. This seahorse is so interesting. Seahorses are so interesting. Now I am drawing jellyfish. Did you know that jellyfish doesn't have a brain or a heart? Now I am drawing clownfish. This clownfish is so cute. Yellow color. Orange. Sky blue. Pink. Yellow. These sea animals looks cute and happy. See you in next video.
Motu.